In today's video, I'll teach you how to send audio music on WhatsApp. First of all, launch open WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the chat where you want to send the audio music. Now that particular chat will be opened over here. So in order to send the audio music, what you have to do is simply send it as a document. For that, tap on the paperclip icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. For smaller audio files, you can also tap on this option audio that you can see on the screen. But if you want to send the high quality audio music, what you have to do is simply tap on the document icon. Now after you do that, you'll be able to send the audio music as a document. Simply tap on the music that you would like to send. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to preview it. Tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, that particular audio music will be sent. Now whenever somebody taps on that particular music, you can see over here that music will be played. So that is how you send audio music on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.